Hi, I'm Jamie Rice, designer of women's contemporary brand Tuck. Today I'm going to show you how to make your clothes look cool. Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make your shoes look really cool. I have a few pairs of shoes here that were very plain and I wanted to just spice them up a bit. So I got multiple pieces of trim and like jewelry, and you can get stones, studs. The possibilities are endless. For these pair of shoes, I thought it'd be really cool to add this metal chain mesh. You can get this at different jewelry stores, trim stores, maybe even fabric stores. They have them in all types of colors. Here I have black. And you'll need a pair of bead cutters. These are for jewelry, and they sell them at a lot of the same trim stores. They're good for making jewelry and different accessories. And I basically measured here, across here, and I'm going to cut this trim in order to fit the tip of this shoe. And I'm just going to cut this to the size of the front of the shoe. This tool works very great at cutting metal and chains and different trims. It's very easy and precise. And then you can take fabric glue or something very strong. It can even be like a sort of jewelry glue or crazy glue. Here I have E6000. They sell it at most trim stores and art supply. And where I place the trim, I'm just going to add some glue across there. This is very strong glue, so you have to be very careful. And just place your trim across your shoe. And there you have it, a very cool way to dress up your shoe. Once again, I'm Jamie Rice, designer of Tuck. You can check us out at facebook.com/tuckbrand, and also go to our website, tuckbrand.com. Thanks again for watching.